Yo, what's good, people? I'm going to say, guys. So today, guys, I'm going to show you how I made this beat by Winky D and Basic now. The song called Problems Away. So without waste your time, guys, let me jump to the first pattern that I made. Okay. So first, guys, I made this melody pattern. Just like that, guys. Mm, the sample I used, the plugin is Nexus 2 preset guitar muted clean. You know what I'm saying? So let's go to the second pattern. You know the drill, guys. You know the vibe of dance or beats. For this one, I used a contact. The preset is Noir Pure Pop Grand Piano. The second one is FO keys. So the chords are the same. This one is this FO stock plugin FO keys. And the other one here. Just simple, guys. For this one, the plugin is Omnisphere. The plugin is Yeah. So for this one, guys, the plugin is Omnisphere, and the preset is Boys Choir. You know what I'm saying? You'll find this one here, and the other one is bass. Let me play the bass. Now, guys, this guitar is sound very natural. For the bass, I use this one. This one called Scabby, and the Scabby Rickenbacker bass, and the other one is the plugin is same. It is the same plugin. And the other one is also and then the other one also. Those are the drum patterns. And all those things, guys, are samples. Those are my samples. This one is a rim shot and the kick shot, percussions, those stuff, you know. And there's another drum pattern for the drops, for the verses. Let's go to the choir. And let me go to the hits. I use this one. You know, this one is Nexus. The preset is hit 6 from CRM Beats presets. And no, there's nothing here. This is the last pattern. This preset and XP guitars, GT Jazz guitar thing, and the second one is Purity. You can find this preset here. Woodwind, Pen Float. The other one also is Serum Beats, hit 6. So guys, let me play you the whole thing here. So from the intro, this is the intro.
Flavor on the beats.
To the verse here. Just listen the verse. It's very simple, guys, to make a dance beat like those guys, Oskid, Lion, all those dance producers from Zimbabwe. It's very easy, guys. You see, this one is the last pattern, the last. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And drink up.